is he doing?
It's the day when we adjudicate all the grades in the exam, so the whole module team is assembled here, all making tea, and we're going to tell you why S283 is such a good course.
S283 is a really broad introduction to planetary sciences. It gives you a real feel for all the different facets of the subject: Mars, Enceladus, meteorites, the whole thing. It's just fantastic.
You should study S283 because it is a fantastic tour of the solar system. You'll be getting the cutting edge research from people in the team, coming straight to the pages and online pages near you. And most importantly, it will keep me in a job, so sign up.
Because Dave Rothery's the chair, and he's the best chair in the world.
Thanks, David. It's because it's a really interesting course. You get an overview of the whole solar system, right in from the innermost planet Mercury all the way out to Pluto, and studying many of the smaller objects that I focus on and are my favourite, like asteroids and comets. One of the areas I also find particularly interesting is the icy moons of the outer solar system, and we get a really good coverage of the complex surface tectonics on objects like Europa and Enceladus.
283.
Well, S283 gives you a real overview of the planets, but it also does some astrobiology. And actually, you can do cool things. This is telling you everything about the Perseverance rover and how it caters samples. But to understand what we are doing and why we are doing it, you need to study S283.
Well, that's what the module team think about the course. It's Planetary Science and the Search for Life. There are 2 books. It's based around books supported by lots of material on the course website. So don't forget the course website. That will guide you through. The first book is an introduction to the solar system. It does what it says. It takes you through the solar system. The second book is an introduction to astrobiology. These are in their 3rd editions technically. They've been revised by smaller amounts more often than that. These were reprinted in 2020 and in 2021, so they're pretty up to date, but we keep you up to date by news items on the module website as well. If you're a geologist or an astronomer, it should be right up your street. If you're an environmental scientist or a physicist, it's useful stuff to study as well. Only 30 points. It leads on very nicely to the planetary science projects in SXP 288 as well. Please come and join us. I hope you enjoy it. I've enjoyed teaching on this course a lot. Okay, bye. And how could I forget? You will of course have your own tutor. Tuition is ranged in 2 national clusters across the UK at present, and you can get a lot of help from your tutors, many of whom have been with the course quite a long time and know it very well. We have new people as well, so there's a good blend of people there to help you along with your study.